Daya Barreto, Vice Mayor Melvin Cuevas, kanilang mga konsehales at konsehalas, Tinoy Abalaya, Grace Gumia, Danny La Rosa, Ems Lunar, Crispin Magsumbo, Sir Jun Marasigan, Kap Imelda Matiba, and Konsehal GGU. Asan na natin upuan? Yung walang malilito ha. Orange ang isa, red ang isa. Bahala na ang ating mga referee dyan. Malay.
Malito ka rin, malito ka.
Oo eh, pagka magkakatabi sa loob.
Balik ka rin lang kaya, balik ka rin.
Hindi, pag magkakatabi sa loob yan, ano, mahirap. Mahirap kaya?
Balik ka rin na lang. Wala.
Last na yung yellow tsaka ano eh, kaya naman eh. Sponsor kasi yung jersey nga, pwede pa palang tara. Ay, kasi kukunan natin ang ano po.
Pa!
Team captain, palagay dyan.
Team captain number 14.
23.
Kaya nalagyan ko ng team captain yung isa, 20 yan, no? 83.
Babalik na rin na isa? Rep.
Thank you so much po. Hindi ako nahihirapan.
Nahihirapan
Kasi mahirap sa amin,
Baka natin natin.
mahirap na eh.
Baka natin yan, mahirap.
Yan, hello. Yan, Mayor, pinabaliktad lang po yung jersey ng isa at hindi daw masyado makita ng ating referee. Kung okay lang daw po. Okay lang daw, okay. Back to the ball game tayo. First touch na nakakuha ni eto na si Dawis. Dawis is still by Belina. Eto na, hindi pumasok. Basketball first, sinasabi basketball. Talaga nga naman gustong pumawi. Kagabi yan yung first quarter ay 3 ang foul. Ngayon kaya basket for 2. Chavez to Katangay. Back to Chavez. Chavez kicks it out to Oknay. Lucky bounce pass to Bilino. Ganda namang pasa nun. Nakakuha ni Rosales. Rosales pumiga na wala ang bola. Nakakuha ni Dawis. Dawis on the run. Dawis pa rin. Binigay kay Chelsea. Tuloy. Basco pala yun. Na-rebound ni Bilina. Birina nagmamadali. Bounce pass to Juwan. Paul for 2. Sarap naman eh. Yummy. Shoutout na sa'yo, Ace. Dawis. Kicks it out to Basco to Manim team. Back to Dawis. 10 seconds to shoot. Kicks it out to Bilyar. Manny. Charot. Binigay kay Juwampo. Chavez. No good. Rebound by Pastrana. Pastrana on the run. Slow pacing. Kicks it out sa kanyang Otits. Dawis for 2. Talagang matukoy pa rin ang ating veterano. Hindi mawawala ang shooting ng isang Dawis. Katangay, setting a play. 14 seconds to shoot. Kicks it out to Rosales. Rosales. Slash the defense. No good. Kanino? Bola ng mga taga-uno.
Dumana ka sa simbahan, mamalengke ako. Sabi kasi, nasisilip mo na.
Kala ko mag-i-involve si Ross. Pumasok. Tagalog, nakakuha ng bola. Binigay kay Chavez. Chavez sa ilalim pero rejected by Manimpi. Ito na ang mga taga Barangay 3 Basco. Block by Katangay. Bullet pass to Rosales. Rosales. And there's an offensive foul by jersey number Rosales. Subdivision rep. Chelsea out. Arguna in.
Commissioner.
Nandiyan na yan.
Daris tuloy. Dawis to Pastrana. Pastrana kicks it out to Villar. Arguna basic 2. Grabe naman si Arguna. 6-2. Ladies holding by Barangay 3. Belina drives. Belina kicks it out. I guess that's the same ball. Yup, same ball. Shot clock 11. Belina receives. Belina drills a 3. Arguna for the rebound. To Pastrana. Pastrana. To Manim team. Leaves open for 3. Short. Katangay for the rebound. To Joe Ampo. To Belina Black. Pero may foul tayo coming from jersey number 23. Dawis. First personal foul. Subdivision rep. Areko.
Mamalingkin ako. Yan na kayo.
Basinyo in. Villar out. Asam nila may paghampas pa. Si Spurge free. One out of 2 by Belina. Spurs free for 3. No good. Rebound by Belina. To Katangay. Katangay. Lumipad. Dawal. Ay, there's a pushing foul. Kitang-kita ng ating referee. Jersey number 34 again. Rosales. Subdivision rep. Second personal foul. Yun, dumating pa ang isang matigas. Sa ilalim. Reverse, no good. Belina. Nagmamadali si Belina. No look pass. Nabubo. Another turnover coming from Barangay 1. Dawis. Dawis drives, natapikan, napunta kay Ogalat, binigay kay Chavez, nice tilan, pero hindi. Napaul si Pastrana doon, kamay ang napalo, jersey number 6. First personal foul, shooting 2. At sa mga manonood natin dyan, pumasok po kayo. Maluwag pang ating Pilapil Araneta. First throw is good. Second throw, no good. Subdivision right. Mercado in. Maning team out. No good. Tinapik sa likod. Sarap sulit ang uwi. Ano ito? Tatlong game. Sparks free for 3. No good. Pastrana for the rebound. Pastrana hinaharas ni Chavez. Sa ilalim kay Spurs free. No good. Rebound by Makalintal. To Belina. Masyadong malakas. Pastrana mid-range J, no good. Katangay. Back to Katangay. Fakes. To Belina. Drives. Ang gandang pasa. Power na basket counts. Jersey number 8, Arguna. That's your first personal foul. Bonus draw, completing a 3-point play from jersey number 70. Kapasaway ayaw magtakip. Davis, trial long bomb, no good. Chavez. Chavez, in and out crossover. Wild shot, no good. Chavez pa rin may rebound. Lucky. Binigay kay Katangay. 10 seconds to shoot. Belina drives, nakalusot. Lays it up for 2. Katangay. Nawala ang bola. Iniligtas na punta sa mga taga-barangay 3. Pastrana drives the scoop layup, no good. Makalintal for the rebound. Chavez, muntikan pa mawala ang bola. At naistila na. Pass break play to Pastrana for an easy lay for 2. (9-8) ang ating talaan. Chavez to Belina. Fakes. Belina. Pinasa kay Lucky. Lucky mid-range jumper. No good. Rebound by Mercado to Dawis. Dawis to Pastrana to Spurs free for 3. Bang! Basinio. 3. Eight seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Arguna. 1 minute and 5 seconds to go. Sparks free, another one. Masyadong malakas. Dawis mid-range day for 2. (14 seconds to shoot. Belina cross-court pass to Katangay. Mid-range day short. Nakakuha ni Makalintal. 5 seconds to shoot. Still. Dawis on the run. Dawis. To Pastrana picks. Pastrana, easy lay for 2. 25 seconds.
Wala na, hindi mo sila walang dead ball eh. Tsaka wala silang shoot. Ay, hindi nga pwede. Hindi po, pag kayo nakashoot. Huwag na.
Time out. Barangay Press. Ang mga hindi pumasok. Napunta na sa court. Basketball is live. Dawis for 3. No good. 4 seconds. Okay. And of our first quarter is scored 12-15. Konsehal Sergio Marasigan, Konsehal Cap Imelda Matibag, and Konsehal GGU. Now back to the ball game po tayo. Second quarter of the game. Lowest scoring game between Barangay Eno tuloy. Barangay 1 versus Barangay 3. Katangay to Obag. Back to Katangay to Andrada for 3. No good. Rebound by Maulyon to Andrada. Ilipat na ring. I-adjust na ang ring, sabi ni Sir Diego. Pasco to Pastrana. Sa ilalim kay Arguna. The reverse specialty is there by Arguna. Reverse man. Katangay kicks it out to Maulyon. Penetrate. 12 seconds to shoot. Andrada sa gitna for cutting Katangay for 2. 14-17. Hindi nakatingin ng papasahan. Nice din ni Andrada. Obag nagmamadali. Lumusot. Last touch si Pastrana doon. Lumusot sa hita ni Katangay. Maulyon for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Obag. Last touch daw po ng mga taga-uno. Bola ng Barangay 3. No good.
Coach ng fill up. Maliit. Baka may session.
Katangay to Obag for 3. Bang! Obag 3. Dawis. Arguna sa ilalim for 2. Another one by Obag, no good. Pasco to Dawis. Dawis sa ilalim. Another one by Arguna. Basket for 2. Buti na lang wala ka nung kalaban ka namin. Kinontrata ko ang dali. Arguna to Maulyon sa gitna kay Rosales, and there's a blocking foul by Maulyon rin ba? Jersey number 10. First personal foul. Obag to Katangay for 3. Bang! Meron ka na nun. Katangay 3. Sa gitna, Pastrana. Basket for 2. Kala ko ba yun? Pastrana pala yun. Maulyon for 3. Too strong. Arguna for the rebound. To Pastrana. Pastrana crossing over. One leg footer for 2. Andrada to Obag. Another one. Too strong at this time. Pero nandun si Maulyon to get the mistake done. 22-25. Dawis, crossing over. Uy, yung grabe talaga. Gumalaw ang isang Dawis. Smooth pa sa smooth. Katangay. 200, hindi pala. Rosales pala. Rosales. No good. Dawis for the rebound. Steal. Subdivision rep. Pasok pre, pasok na. Bilyar, in. Chavez, in. Katangay, out. Arguna, out. No good. Rebound by Andrada. Bola, block by Bilyar. Pero doon si Obal. Nagkalaksuhan. Nagkalundagan. Foul will be called on jersey number 0. Subdivision rep. Andrada. Ebasco to Dawis for 3. No good. Maulion for the rebound. Pass break pass to Chavez. Chavez zigzagger. Obag for 2. Ebasco to Dawis. Dawis 14 seconds shoot pero naistilan. Eto na ulit ang mga taga-barangay Uno. Obag, another layup for 2. (26-27), 1-point lead ng Barangay 3. Dawis, no good. Makalintal for the rebound. Steal by Pastrana. Pastrana, mid-range day, no good. Dawis to recover. Ebasco to Pastrana. Pastrana to Bilyar. The mid-range specialty, no good. Maulion for the rebound. Chavez nagmamadali to Andrada. Andrada using the glass, change favor. Sa gitna, Bilyar. No good. Chavez. And there's an offensive foul coming from Chavez, jersey number 5. Timeout, Barangay 3. Chavez, first personal foul. Ebasco, 2 minutes and 20 seconds on the clock. Ebasco setting a play, kicks it out to Spree. Back to Ebasco, fake sa gitna kay Bilyar. Naistilan to Chavez, to Obag, ang kulim. Sala lang. Last touch si Maulion, bola ng Barangay Threats. Manim team 3, no good. Bola ng Barangay 1.
Hindi ko nagdala eh. Ako ba isa? Alay. Isang bola.
Ebasco. Looking for pass to Manim Team. Manim Team drives. Ang ganda naman nun. Kaso no good. To Chavez. Chavez. Grabe may pag-upo pa pero may rebound si Makalintal. Grabe naman ang lalim nun. Bas. Foul will be called on jersey number 7.
Coach. Thank you. Open daw eh. Ano score? Tama score na. 1 minute.
1 minute. 1 minute. Time remaining and Kiki. Kiki. Manim Team. Kicks it out. Back to Manim Team. To Villar. Mid-range specialty. No good. Rebound by Oba. Pass to Andrada. No good. Makalintal is there. At sumabit si Villar. Jersey number 4.
Sa Barangay 3.
First personal foul. First throw ni Makalintal, no good. Second throw is there. Kinaliwa pa. 40 seconds, time remaining, 32-27, lamang po ng 5. Ang mga taga-barangay 1. Andrada for 3, no good. Rebound by Arguna. To Manim Team, 15 seconds to go. To Spurs free for 3. Bang! 5 seconds. Block by Arguna. Same ball possession, 1.1 second. 1.1 second. End of our second quarter or first half with an official score of third game po natin, Don Juan versus Dita. Yan po ang ating third game of the day. Don Juan versus Dita.
Yung pakit. Yan.
Dapat tumunod na araw. May handball ka rin.
Tama na kaya mamalik dito.
Saan ka bola?
Dito naman tayo.
Dito ang bola. Okay, balik tayo mo muna nga. Mamaya mo balik na ng pagkinahin ko.
Orange ball, orange. Basinio to Pastrana. Back to Basinio to Dawis. 14 seconds to shoot. Basinio for 3. No good. Arguna for the offensive board. Same ball possession. 10 seconds to shoot. Dawis for 3. No good. Katangay for the rebound. Binigay kay Obag. Obag on the run. Obag for 3. Short. Niligtas. Nakakuha ni Dawis. Binigay kay Pastrana. Pastrana kontra Andrada. Nakita si Vasco. Ang lakas naman talsik. Ang lakas naman ang tira mo, kaibigan. Andrada to Juwang Paul. One shot, no good. Bola ang bola. Same ball possession. 14 to shoot. Chavez to Obag, back to Chavez, 8 seconds to shoot. Obag penetrate to Chavez for 3. No good. Obag for the rebound, natapikan. Nakakuha ni Arguna ang bola, binigay kay Sprungspree to Pastrana. Pastrana crossing over. Muntikan pa maistilan. 14 seconds to shoot. Dawis to Arguna na wala. Katangay na recover. Binigay kay Andrada. Andrada to Chavez. Basket for 2. Sprungspree for 3. Bang! Elista mo na. Basinio 3.
Pag-iwalong sunod-sunod, sasali. Sunod-sunod din ako kapitulog mo. Sabi nga naman na dapat namin take pa home court. Matanda na nga lang.
Andrada, laser up, no good. Dawis to Basinio, another one. Masyado malakas. Obag for the rebound. To Belina. Belina. To Andrada. To Katangay na libre. Ay! Grabe kasi na kayo ang ating ring. Sorry naman. Pastrana, crossing over. Nasundutan ni Obag. Iba talaga ang mabilis. Andrada for 2.
Ano? Saan lumalabas?
Dawis, no good. Reverse layup by Belina for 2. Dawis, derecho. Dawis, mid-range J for 2. Andrada fakes. Andrada nakalusot. No good. Rebound by Dawis. Dawis nagmamadali. Dawis into traffic. Subdivision rep. Rep. Bola nga rep. Palit daw. Palit. Pangit daw ang talbog. Parehas.
Nawala nga yung sa'yo.
Manim team for 3. Bang! Nakapagpahiyang sa bola. Manim team 3.
Good
Good morning po.
All 38 ang ating talaan. Belina, back to Katangay. 12 to shoot. Katangay, mid-range J. No, pinasa kay Obag. Fakes, fly by 2 by Obag. Kumaka na si Obag dito Manimtim to Pastrana. To Dawis. Dawis pa rin. To Manimtim. 10 seconds to shoot. Dawis. No good. Belina. To Katangay. 14 seconds to shoot. Katangay. To Obag. 8 seconds to shoot. To Belina. 5 seconds to shoot. No good, may put back. Maulyon for 2. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Pastrana. To Manimtim. To Arguna. Pastrana. Mid-range J. No good. Rebound by Belina. Pass break to Obag na wala pa ang bola. Obag nagtaka. Binalik kay Belina. Belina. Same foot. Traveling violation. Pasok idol. Arguna out. Pastrana in. Dawis out. Ay, di ba? Dawis na. 42-38. Digit na digit ang laban. Steal. To Obag. Obag ang hindi napapagod. No good. At talagang sumundod pa rin. Gilas mo Pastrana. Into traffic. Katangay. 4-2. Arguna. Back to Manimtim. To Mercado. To Manimtim. 14 seconds to shoot. Back to Mercado. Sa gitna kay Pastrana. No good. Rebound by Obag. Obag on the run. Obag. Basket for 2. Tibay ni Obag. (46-38). Yoko mo. Pastrana. 3 seconds violation. Subdivision rep. Ayan na. Pumasok na ulit. Ilan ang foul ng Lucky? Ay, wala. Ingat na yan.
Sabi kahapon ako na first quarter, 3 foul. Kung po siya ay 2 quarter.
Obag to Katangay. 14 seconds to shoot. Makalintal sa gitna for Kating Katangay. Basket for 2. 48-38. 10-point lead. Pastrana to Villar for 3. No good. Pastrana naka-rebound for 2 points by jersey number 10. Katangay, 10 seconds to shoot. Obag. 5 seconds to shoot. Katangay. And that's a shot clock violation. Subdivision rep. Basinyo in, Pastrana out. Chavez in, Obag out. 48-40. 8-point lead na lamang ng mga taga-barangay 1. 1 minute to go. Kicks it out to Basinyo. Sa ilalim kay Pastrana. Lucky bounce, no good. Rebound ni Katangay to Maulyon. Maulyon drives, binaba. Out of bounds. 42 seconds. Manimtim. 14 seconds to shoot. Manimtim. Villar, the mid-range jumper, no good. Maulion for the rebound. 24 seconds time remaining. Nawala pa ang bola na ipasa pa kay Juwan Paul for 2. Shot clock is off. 15 seconds time remaining. Still, almost, still, rather. 10 seconds. Pastrana, Pumier for 2. 5 seconds. And of our third quarter with an official score of 50-42. And of the day will be the Top versus Don Juan. Makikiready na po kung kayo man ay nanonood sa ating Facebook. Rosales, muntikan pa mawala ang bola. Chavez, quick 3, no good. Dawis for the rebound. Pastrana to Manimtim, back to Pastrana, 14 seconds to shoot. Evasco naluwag sa 3. Short. Obag to Chavez. Cross-court pass. Fires for 3. No good. Rebound by Andrada. Sa gitna kay Obag. No good. Chavez, nasundutan. Nakakuha ni Pastrana. Pastrana to Manimtim. Manimtim takes a 3. Ang taas tumalon. Pastrana. Back to Evasco. Manimtim again. Dawis to recover for 3. Bang! 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 Dawis. 3. 5-point lead. Chavez for 3. No good, and there's a pushing foul coming from Rosales. Jersey number 34. Third personal foul. Subdivision left. Dawis to Pastrana. Short. Bullet pass to Chavez. Fakes. To Maulion. Back to Chavez. 12 seconds to shoot. Obag. Steal. To Manimtim. Back to Manimtim for 2. Timeout! Barangay Uno. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 50-47. Lamang po ng 3 or 3 na lang po ang lamang ng Barangay Uno. Tigil 2 timeout po. Both teams. Dawis for the rebound. to Pastrana. Basket for 3 by Dawis.
Dalawa na lang, coach. Dalawa.
Andrada.
Deadlock.
Deadlock po tayo sa 50. Chavez, short. Rebound by Ebasco. To Dawis. Dawis drives, kicks it out. To Manin Team. Drives, Manin Team lays it up. Nagkatalo na nakakuha ni Obak. Pass break to Chavez. Chavez. Bumalik si Chavez. No good. Chavez pa rin. 4 shot. No good. Nagkatapikan na. Kuha ni Pastrana to Ebasco. 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 Teardrop. Basket for 2. Change favor na po tayo. Ganda ng laban. Obag. Hit check. No good. Katangay tuloy. Manin Team for the rebound to Ebasco. Pastrana. To Ebasco. For 3. And there's a foul for shooting 3 by jersey number 17. Subdivision rep. Pasok, Rogi. Okay, pasok po. Pasok. Three shots po yan. 3 shots. Okay, pasok, pasok, pasok. Three shots po yan at 3 shots. First throw, no good. Second throw. Pasok. Last and final throw. Bouncers ready. Short. Rebound by Andrada. 1 out of 3. Andrada. Pace. Binigay kay Obak. Another mid-range day. No good. And mapupunit. Jump ball. Dito po tayo. Six minutes to go. Dawis. To Pastrana. Pastrana nakalusot. Lays it up for 2. Andrada setting a play to Katangay. Katangay back to Andrada. To Belina. Leaves open for 3. Too strong. Dawis for the rebound. Dawis nagbababa. To Pastrana. Back to Dawis for 3. In and out. Rebound by Arguna. To Pastrana. 8 seconds to shoot. Down to 5. Villar, mid-range, no good. Belina for the rebound. Andrada, setting the play. To Katangay for 3. No good. Pastrana, dinakot na sa may ring ng bola. Ebasco, pinababa ng bahagya. Sa gitna, kicks it out to Dawis. Dawis. To Villar, block, and may kasamang foul. Foul will be called on jersey number 0. Subdivision rep. Pasok po, sir. Jersey number 0. Warning for technical. For assessment to a call. Andrada, that's your second personal foul.
Lagyan mo lang ng asterisk. Alam natin na may ano lang.
Para Chavez kicks it out. Belina fakes. Belina drives. Belina lays for 2. Dawis to Arguna. Still by Abag. Behind the back pass for 2. Binitang na naman. Another steal. Block. Pero may kasamang foul. Plus of basket counts. Foul will be called on jersey number 8. Arguna. Timeout. Barangay 3. Deadlock po kagad tayo. Bonus throw, no good. Maning team grabs. And there's a traveling. Traveling po. Tinayo po ang bola. Traveling po. Tinayo ang bola. Isa na lang po ang timeout ng Barangay 3. Dalawa pa para sa Barangay 1. Chavez kicks it out. Fakes by Belina. Ang gandang ball check pero may whistle na naman coming from jersey number 6 Pastrana. Subdivision rep. Pabaliktad ng uniform mo, Marbs.
Ilan sa Pastrana? Opo, wala pong rules sa akin. Pwede. Maraming oras pa ako, pwede. Last week po, ganun din po yung nangyari sa ibang team. Wala pong rules na ganun. Wala.
Good yan. Yan po ay nangyari na po last week. Pinayagan po yan ng ating commissioners lahat po. Wala po tayong house rules na. Na basta po naka-line up, iyon, pasok po yan. No good. The rebound by Arguna. Dawis nagmamadali. Dawis almost lost the handle. Nakakuha ni Katangay. Katangay pinasa kay Gutierrez. Bagong pasok, bagong tira. To Pastrana. To Arguna. Nasundutan. Same ball possession. 3 minutes and 34 seconds. 2-point lead. Ang ganda ng laban. Subdivision rep. Bilyar out, Ebasco in. Arguna receives. Arguna kicks it out to Manim team. Manim team kay Dawis. 10 seconds to shoot. Ebasco, there's a foul. Foul will be called on jersey number 5, Chavez. That's your second personal foul. Third team foul. Again, next game po natin, please be ready. Dita versus Don Juan. Pastrana sa gitna. Bakes, ang ganda. Easy basket yan coming from Dawis. Gutierrez to Chavez, fakes, back to Gutierrez, 12 seconds to shoot. Gutierrez still drop for 2. Dawis. Alley play, 4-point lead to Pastrana. to Manintin. To Ebasco. Still na naman. Belina for 2. And there's a foul by Katamay for pushing Katamay. That's your jersey number 4. First personal foul, warning for team penalty. Arguna, nakalusot pero naistilan ni Gutierrez. 64-58, biglang 6 na kalamangan ng mga taga-barangay 1. Gutierrez, mid-range jury, binigay kay Dawis. Last 2 minutes. Arguna nakalusot pero naistilan pa rin. Grabe naman ang mga pasa, parang anlalay. Pero mabibilis lang talaga itong mga taga-barangay 1. 14 seconds to shoot. To Chavez, fakes. Sa ilalim, libre si Belina. Short, natapikan na ako ni Gutierrez. Fakes, nilabas. 10 seconds to shoot. Gutierrez. Kicks it out to Chavez for 3. Bang! Timeout, Barangay 3.
Makoy! Hindi, hindi ka alam dito yun. Nagharap ng party.
Dawis. Fakes. Dawis pa rin. 8 seconds to shoot. Ebasco na libre. Basket for 2. Foul by Manintin, 15. First personal foul. Third team foul. Katangay, Pigs. Nawala pero nakuha ni Juan Paul. Offensive foul, nakita ang siko ni referee. Not basket or no basket. Offensive foul, jersey number 5. Chavez. Third personal foul. 1 minute remaining, 7-point lead. Ebasco. Ebasco, nasundutan. Chavez. No good. Tinapik kay Gutierrez. To Gutierrez. And there's a foul. 23, Dawis. Wala pa. Warning for team penalty pala po. Warning pala po. Warning for team penalty. Kuya Dawis. Warning pa lang. Warning. Gutierrez. And there's a foul. Third personal foul, Pastrana. First throw is there. Last and final throw, 41 seconds to go. Offensive board. Bola ng Barangay 3.
Tao, pagpilito.
Jawis to Ebasco. Quick 3. Short. Pastrana. Masyadong malakas. Maulion for the rebound. And there's a foul. Shooting 2. Subdivision. Yan. Pasok. First throw, no good. Nawala pa ang bola. 18 seconds time remaining. 12 seconds. And I guess that's it. Congratulations for the second win in a row by Team Barangay Uno. Nakamayan po tayo. Nice game po.